find a confidant. Pray you get everything that you want. Pray you get everything that I could not give to you. I know that it may seem weird to you, but never will I ever not wish you well. Though we're not together, God bless you still. It's gonna get better, I know it will. Just hope you know I pray for you. I pray for you. I pray.
Hey YouTube, it's me, Pretty Girl Shay. Welcome to Pretty Girl Lashes, where all we do is lash out, period, okay? Period. Get into the lashes, baby. 100% mink lashes, up to 40 wears, you know what I'm saying? So if you're not shopping the pretty way, then what are you doing? What are you doing?
Of course I be pushing they buttons. I hold up control like the game is. Like gra, keep it a stat. Bitches is active, we keeping it crack. Bad little redhead, she bout the black. We come out, it's a movie, but we don't do that. Live from London, straight from the palace. Manda Magalis, I text us like Dallas. Keep it a bean, yo, he told.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within.
I done found out how to love myself, and that's okay with me. Now I'm diplomatic status, baby, stay away from me. I done grew into my power, I do things you can't believe. Keep your head up when told you won't be nothing. Told that a lot of times. I lost a lot of pockets, I cried a lot of times. They said I was a pro.
So I just added the self-defense keychains to the vending machine now. So y'all can come shop if y'all in the OKC area. Back at the mall. About to drop off some rent for the lash vending machine. In the freaking mall. Look at these little cars they got over here. Super cute. Look at this cup store. It's so cute. Super cute. $105.
720S, it's a pace car. Better yet, it's a jet to my windows back. Give me toppy at the light, you into that. The brownies to the...
What you mean? Huh? Sagittarius shit. Don't start crying.
He works in restaurants.
Birthday girl.
Evan, you know something we don't know? You used to work at Wendy's. Did you work at Wendy's? Taco Bell.
Larian. Say hi, vlog. Evan, say hi to my vlog. Oh, I was talking to Evan. Megan. I was talking to Evan. No, I was talking to Evan.
The lighting not good.
Like you don't know how to work a lighter. Okay, ready? Yep. Let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ebony. Happy birthday to you. Many more. I don't know what's the word. Oh, that's white. That's okay. And they put white at the top, chocolate at the bottom. Oh, okay. Oh, well. Oh, that's good. Oh, okay. Big piece. You want a big piece? She get the first piece. Go ahead. She don't want no big old piece. She want a small piece. I don't want no big piece. I want the top. Everybody said, man. Everybody want a small one. You might just touch it. You got some chips? Why so hot in here? It don't feel like no Arizona though. Oh, that's cute. Man, thank you. You know, why you trying to move it? You know, little dirty thing. Oh, that's cute. Meet me in the cut, yeah. Period. Say what's up to the vlog, Lance. Also the Gritter.
Man, tap in, man. All platforms, man. Tap in with J-Lo, man.
We can find you, man.
Y'all. Hey, flash on your face, man. Tap in, man. Flash on your face, man.
Hey, Rihanna. Hey. This is Ebony's first tattoo. Say hi to my vlog. I encourage them to get them to YouTube. They're gonna Raven, my cousin. Yeah. Because y'all popular. A lot of people know y'all.
Oh, December birthday.
Evan.
What day? Yeah. Happy birthday, everybody. Everybody, December. December 10th.
We already done had like 8 of them. You late to the party. Set it up, y'all. I'm kind of nervous. I'm a little nervous. Medium one. Okay, it ain't gonna hurt.
You wanted it bigger? This is a small one I had.
Oh yeah, that medium would. That's just right. I don't need that big. Right.
You gotta catch up.
Who calling me?
Yeah, she gotta catch up.
Oh, my cousin.
You want another side?
Hello. You nervous?
Fill it up anyway.
Oh,
It's good for me. You recording me, so it's okay.
right. What up? Hey, we at the Embassy Suites.
Where that's at?
Embassy Suites on where this at, y'all?
31st and Memorial.
31st and Memorial in the back part.
Behind McDonald's.
Behind McDonald's.
Alright, bet. Here I come.
I'm in room 321.
Thanks to me, cousin.
Alright. You getting a tattoo or you just coming to turn up?
And I'll just come to, I might get a tattoo. I might, who depending on who tag.
My friend, she tagged good. She already tagged 2 people already. She doing mine now. I'll show you her work whenever you get here.
Alright, bet. I'm on my way.
Alright. That's my.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you got it right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's live where the love is like. I put that on my arm,
Mimi got me right. Period. 1992, baby. Period. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all.
Oh, it was?
So do it hurt? Do it hurt? No. Make sure you go watch my YouTube because you're gonna be on it. Subscribe to my motherfucking channel too.
Cut the beat and let my school rock. Ooh, cut the beat and let my school rock. Ooh, cut the beat and let my school rock. Ooh, cut the beat and let my came in here to rock. Bitch, I came in here to rock. Bitch, I came in here to rock. Ooh, bitch, I came in on my top. Hold up, let me hit my.
Give me a hug. I love you, cousin. Y'all be safe. We'll be safe.
I'm TT too. TT too.
Bye, y'all. Love y'all.
Be safe. Be safe.
All right. All right, Evan. Bye, Evan, girlfriend.
Y'all text somebody.
That's Evan, girlfriend. Don't play with her,
Text
okay?
somebody.
Period. Y'all be safe.
Yeah. Text somebody wherever you going, where you going.
Right. Y'all be safe.
Love the party time, but be safe.
For real. That's why they was getting their tattoos so they can bounce.
That right, man. We ain't even like a mug. We ain't even like a
Rihanna gonna be in pain over here, watch. She gonna be in pain. Watch, I can't wait to see. I'm gonna say, you want me to hold your hand like you did me? She gonna say, you want me to hold your hand? Bye, y'all. I wanna say happy birthday to you, Oh, I wanna say happy birthday to you.
Now blow it out and make a wish. Think about it and blow out your candle. Blow it out and make a wish. Think about it and blow out your candle.
Make a wish.
Another one.
Period. Don't play with you.
You a sucker, you a buster, I can't fuck with ya. I be moving solo, ain't no way that I could trust niggas. Ay, all about $1, try your luck, nigga. Only sip Patron, don't put no Henny in my cup, nigga. Hold on, man. Hold up. Y'all niggas thought that shit was starting like that? Man, hell nah, run that shit back, man. Run that shit back, these niggas weren't even ready. Run that back.
You look so bomb. Don't play with you.
You a sucker, you a buster, I can't fuck with ya. I be moving solo, ain't no way that I could trust niggas. Ay, all about $1, try your luck, nigga. Only sip Patron, don't put no Henny in my cup, nigga. Chiggin' in this bitch. Ay, all my real niggas get the chiggin' in this bitch. Ay, all the gold diggers get the diggin' in this bitch. Ay, play with me, my partner, get the clickin' in this bitch. Ay, bitch, this my shit. Ay, this some shit me and my niggas we can fly to. Step in the party, all the hoes be looking by you. Got a little freaky chick, she from the bayou.
Let me go get my coat. So is this your first tattoo for you?
It's my second.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
This is the most I've ever done.
Oh, yeah. Flat line. Look at corn. Flat line. Look at this nigga. Looking at. Knock the fuck out. Get your ass up, nigga. No. You wrong. Watch he see that shit on my video. My shoes don't match, but oh well. I'm comfortable now, so period. And we be vibing.
You got niggas in the background fast out.
Period. In the club with we be vibing. Don't play with you with the strawberry. Period. Period.
You and I, white dress, flowers, in a suit and tie. Me and you like Bonnie and Clyde, no bitch care or do or die. Who am I to say you ain't that true? Your haters, my haters ain't switching up, baby, I got you. spinning like a tractor. The way you wear that dress, they gon' attack you. Way you look at me, baby, I got you. I hit it from the front, I like the back.
January, you pretend to see life clearly, yearly. February is a time that you put the evil eye and the pride aside for the fantasy of getting married. Very scary. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring is here and just like a spring you start to spiral. May bring some warmer days.
Had me thinking that I was average when you really the blame. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing?
Yeah, my helper is with me today. I'm glad they got this on. Larry on. What's up? You got the dentist glasses on. Oh, you funny. This mug slow. I see why I don't be on like that. Look at all this stuff right here. Yeah.
You liking what you see? Everything designer, that's on me. That's why the when I walk, looking like you, just trying to fuck. Yo, this trip got you in heat. You jumping, baby girl, hop on this D. Yeah, you know that I'm a beat. All these trips got you as a heat. Those eyes don't tell no love. No, girl, I know that you ready. Girl, I'm not gonna let you down. I ain't gonna keep you waiting up. If you throw it, it's gonna get knocked out. You playing hide and seek, I'ma find you. Baby, hold on tight when you ride me. You know I like to eat, give me options. If you throw it, it's gonna get knocked out. I wanna get equal. All that ass for my ego. Baby, we gon' keep it simple.
We about to leave?
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go good tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. A slave where the love is light. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my bag, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Pray you find your confidence. Pray you find a confidant. Pray you get everything that you want. Pray you get everything that I could